So it's your boy Miltech. We got our next unit today. This unit came in. The problem is loud noises. So let's find out what's going on with this unit. Alright, let's turn it on. As you can see, the blower wheel is bouncing, so I can tell it's broken. I think that's what's causing the noise. See? The blower wheel is broken, so we gotta replace that. That's no good. This is a problem right here. The evaporator blower wheel is displaced from the motor, so that's what's causing the loud noise. When the evap motor spins, this is bouncing instead of spinning. So what I'm gonna do is replace the evaporator blower wheel. As you can see, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset this unit, turn it on. There you go. No noise. Unit working perfectly fine.